Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to start kitchen and bath design quickly. Let's try it together. First step, enter kitchen and bath. Go to Interior Design Tools. Click Advanced Tool. Select Kitchen and Bath to enter the customization interface. Second step, filter materials. Click on the public catalog. You can choose base cabinets, wall cabinets, tall cabinets, and other furniture materials for modular design and combination. Third step, set up cabinets and sizing. After selecting the cabinet model in the public catalog and dragging it out. The parameter panel can adjust the model parameters. Fourth step, click Generate. Select Generate in the toolbar to generate cabinet countertop, crown molding, toe kick molding, sink, etc. with one click. Final step, appearance modification. You can modify individual cabinet styles. Click on the cabinet, select Style in the Parameters panel to replace the material style of the cabinet, door, and handles. You can also batch modify multiple cabinet styles. In the top toolbar, switch to Select Cabinet, select Global Style in Global Edit. Click on the cabinet and select the material, handles, etc. that need to be replaced in the parameter panel. Kitchen and bath design is so easy. Come and try it. That's all. Thanks for watching.